Horses in. Horses out. We have Dinara. Pass to begin. Moving up Arias now. Loretta. Tiger Ipig in third. Dugos. Favorita. Then followed over by number 3. Jequito. In between horses. 5 o'clock and Jupiter. Thunder is the early trailer. We have Dinara, the leader by about 5 lengths. Loretta in second. Moving up now to take third. Jequito. Tiger Ipig is in fourth. 5 o'clock now moving up to take fifth. Jupiter Thunder and Dugos Favorite. And it's still Dinara by about 3 lengths. Loretta, and here comes Jequito now on the outside third. 7 lengths win for Tiger Ipig. 5 o'clock Jupiter Thunder and Dugos Favorite. And it's still Dinara by out a length and a half. Loretta still in second. Jequito in third. A long way back to 5 o'clock as they come down at the last 150. And it's still Dinara by about 2 lengths. Jequito in second. Loretta. Then here comes 5 o'clock. But it's still Dinara followed by 5 o'clock on the outside. Jequito, Loretta. Dinara this time by about 5 lengths. 5 o'clock now to take second, and finally it's Dinara. 5 o'clock Dugos Favorite, then comes Loretta, Jupiter Thunder.
2-4, 2-4-6-7. Yan ang datingan natin. So it was Dinara ang winner natin. 9-4.